Hi, today we're talking about restaurant order form. So this is a simple order form which restaurant owners can expose to the users, which they can fill in to start booking their orders. So as you can see, we have got the first name, last name, the email, the phone number of the customer, the delivery address, the menu. You can obviously customize this menu as per your choice. If they want to have a pickup for the order, any comments, and the payment method that they want to use for the order. So once the customer starts filling in all the details over here, you will start to get the responses getting booked over here in the responses view. And let us have a look of how it will perform. So once you download this template onto your workspace, you can click on this share form and click on this copy form link and just expose this link to the customer who will be booking the order in this form. Okay. So I'm going to quickly open up this form and quickly fill up some of the details in the form, and let's see how it works. So I'm going to quickly fill in some details, and once all the details are filled in, let's see how they perform. So as you can see, I have quickly filled in some random details over here, and I'm going to click on submit. As I do that, the response has been submitted and it has been captured in the responses view. So if you go to the responses view, you will be able to see the exact response that it has captured over here. So this is how we can take help of restaurant order form to start tracking all the restaurant orders coming from your customers. Besides this, I also want to highlight about a tool that is PDF Output. PDF Output helps you generate PDF documents in bulk utilizing Google Document as a template, and it works both with Google Sheet as well as Notion database, which acts as a source of the information. So you can generate bulk invoice documents, or maybe for the restaurants you can generate restaurant related documents through the use of PDF output. So I've added a demo video at the bottom which you can see and understand how we can generate bulk invoices using PDF output with the help of Google Sheet as well as Notion database. Besides this, if you have any queries, reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to respond to you back. Thank you. Have a great day.